How to add music to iMovie on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Start New Project in the bottom to start a new project. From the options that appear, select Movie to build your project from scratch. You will be taken to your media library. Select the photos or videos you want to include in your movie, and then tap Create Movie at the bottom. You are now in the editing timeline, where you can arrange your clips. To add music, tap the plus icon on the left and select Files as shown. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Files to browse for your audio. Navigate through your phone's file manager and locate the music file you wish to add. Once you find the audio file, simply tap on it. The music will automatically be added to your timeline, appearing as a blue bar underneath your video clip. Once you are satisfied with the edit, tap on Done in the top left corner to save your project. Following these steps, you can easily add music to iMovie on an iPhone.